Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will compare the Subaru Roman 15 versus the Impreza hatch. We'll explore their key differences and similarities to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. While they share a common foundation, these two vehicles cater to slightly different needs. We'll look at everything from their design and dimensions to their performance and target audience. Get ready for a comprehensive breakdown of these popular Subaru models, highlighting what makes each one unique and appealing. When it comes to design, the most noticeable difference is their stance. The Roman 15, known as the Crosstrek in some regions, stands taller with a generous 8.7 inches of ground clearance, giving it a more adventurous look. In contrast, the Impreza hatchback sits lower, offering 5.1 inches of clearance and a sleeker profile. This difference in height significantly impacts their visual appeal and intended use, with the Roman 15 sporting more protective cladding and roof rails as standard. Under the hood, both vehicles typically share a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 152 horsepower. Subaru's renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive comes standard on both, ensuring excellent traction. However, the Roman 15 increased ground clearance makes it more capable on unpaved roads and light trails, absorbing bumps with greater ease. The Impreza hatchback, with its lower center of gravity, generally provides a more nimble and car-like driving experience on paved surfaces, feeling more connected to the road. Inside, you'll find that both the Roman 15 and Impreza hatchback offer very similar cabin layouts, materials, and technology, providing comfortable seating for five. Cargo volume is also quite comparable, typically around 20 cubic feet with the rear seats in use. The Roman 15 is often favored by those with an active, outdoor lifestyle, appreciating its ruggedness. The Impreza hatchback, however, is a fantastic choice for city dwellers and small families seeking a practical, efficient, and reliable daily driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.